Morning everyone, good morning sir. So I am the reporter for psychodynamic theory by Freudian. Psychodynamic theory is a foundation approach in psychology developed by Sigmund Freud in the early 20th century. Freud proposed that human behavior is largely influenced by unconscious forces, early childhood experiences, and internal conflict between different aspects of the mind. So, what are the key concepts in Freudian psychodynamic theory? First is the structure of the mind. One of the example is id. Id is driven by basic needs like focuses of personal desires. So, personal desires it includes or personal needs, it includes food, water, pleasure. Then the next one is ego. It mediates id, desire, and superego moral constraints. So, mano siya mediate sa duha sa id o superego. So what is superego? Superego represents the internalized moral standards and societal rules, refers to expectation and behavior of an individual. So mo ni siya aga nang i-expect sa mga tao nimo nga unsay mo ang behavior. So the second one is unconscious mind. Freud believed that a large part of human behavior is influenced by unconscious motives. So, the first one is conscious. So, what is conscious? Conscious is feelings that are currently in our awareness. So, example ana is kanang need ka nakahuna-una ka nga kulang day ka og study nga na bitaw. So, the next one is preconscious. Preconscious thoughts that can be brought into awareness with some effort or something nga makahinumdum nimo. So the examples for that is nakita ka nga naay nagtuon then nakakuha na dayon ka nga nakahuna-una na dayon kag balik nga wala pa day ka katuon. So the next one is unconscious. Thoughts, feelings, and memories that are outside of conscious awareness. Like, kanamitong, nadulas ka, nadulas kag storya, agis emosyon, nimo tas, aya pa nimo na-realize nga, sayop dito yung mga storya, pero ulahin na. Dito siya mao. So, the next one is psychosexual stage. So, psychosexual stage of development. Freud proposed that early childhood experience shape personality or of fixed stages, each centered around erogenous zone. So, the first one of psychosexual stages of development is oral stage. So, what is oral stage? Oral stage focus on activities like sucking, biting. If always nimo siya maghimo kag ingana like sucking o biting, pwede na siya mag-lead sa pagkadako ninyo, pagkakuan nyo kanang pagkadako bitaw ninyo mahimo mag smoker or kusog mo mukaon. Duha ray ka padulngan ana. So the next one is anal stage. 1 to 3 years old, focus on control and elimination. Like, kanabitang toilet training, this could lead into excessive organization o difficulty prioritizing tasks. So, the next one is phallic stage. So, 3 to 6 years old, focus on genital area conscious, sexual desires for their mother. Then latency stage. sexual urges are dormant. So kusog kay mo ang kuan kanang sexual urge. Dayon genital stage, mature sexual interest emerge and healthy sexual relationship can develop. So there is a genital stage, dire ni mature atong sexual interest and emerge healthy sexual relationship. So defense mechanism. So the fourth one is defense mechanism. The ego uses defense mechanism to protect itself from anxiety and conflict. So ang gikuan sa ego is maggamit ni siya ani. Una is repression. So what is repression? So repression, the use of repression is blocking out painful thoughts or memories. So mao ni siya tig-block sa mga kuan nimo kanang mga kaagi or like kaagi nga memories bitaw nga ni humanadas kuan. If di man punto siya ma-block, may man punto siya anxiety. So the second one is projection. Attributing one's own considerable feelings or thought onto others. So the next one is denial. Refusing to acknowledge reality or an unpleasant truth. So denial is kanang dili ka mo mudawat or i-ignore nimo ang tinuod nga butang. So the next one is sublimation. Channeling unacceptable impulses into socially accepted activities. So the fifth one is dream analysis. So what is dream analysis? Freud believed that dreams were direct linked to the unconscious mind, and analyzing them could uncover repressed desires or unsolved conflict. So the first, there are two types of dream analysis. So the first one is manifest content. Mo ni siya ang main storyline sa dream. And the second one or the last one is latent content. So there are in this latent content, there are hidden symbolic meanings na siya if unsay imong madamguhan. So once again, I am Arvin G. Arseno, and that's all for my topic of psychodynamic theory.